five that get hung together right here. Man, Mark hit that wall hard.
And he was trying to get down to pit road, and you can see he's all the way down on the right front.
Actually going a little fast for the condition his car was in. He goes right up front of Jeff Gordon.
They just start stacking up
Now,
there.
watch Harvick. He sees an opening right here. Shoot that gap right there, and he got clipped a little bit, but I think he's okay.
Speaking of shooting the gap, Carl Edwards, he shot the gap with that 99 car.
Now, left side damage to his car. Watch Jeff Gordon. Nowhere to go. And when he gets sideways, that stacks everything and everybody up behind him. Boy, that guy did a great job getting through there with the 12 car. Yeah, Keselowski did a great job. Edwards has some damage to the front end.